Two US toy companies are in a landmark legal battle over international tariffs, and the outcome might change how trade laws work in America. Here's what's going on. In April 2025, Learning Resources and Hand to Mind, both educational toy makers, filed a lawsuit challenging a series of import tariffs placed on Chinese goods, including toys. These tariffs were imposed under a law called the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, which is intended for national security emergencies. The companies argue that the executive branch may have exceeded its authority by using emergency powers for economic actions, and that trade and taxation decisions legally belong to Congress. As a result, the toy makers say their supply chains were severely disrupted. They had to move manufacturing tools like toy molds from China to other countries such as India and Vietnam. This caused delays, higher costs, and major uncertainty during key seasons like back to school and the holidays. The case has already seen victories for the companies in two lower courts, the District Court for DC and the US Court of International Trade. But when the government appealed, the rulings were paused. The companies filed an emergency application to the Supreme Court, but the court said it would only consider the case after the DC Court of Appeals reviews it. This case could have a lasting impact on how trade measures are implemented and who in government has the final say. Beyond the courtroom, it's a reminder of how global trade decisions affect real businesses here at home. Follow for more breakdowns of the biggest cases shaping global trade and business.